Kinilala ng Malacanang ang mahalagang kontribusyon ng OFW sa pambansang kaunlaran. Kaunay ito ng pagtaas pa ng remittances sa halos 7% nitong January 2014, mataas kumpara sa nakaraang taon ng parehong buwan. Ayon kay PCOO Secretary Sunny Coloma, umabot sa 23 billion pesos ang remittances nitong 2013 mula sa 21.4 billion pesos noong 2012. Dahil dito, tiniyak naman ng pamahalaan ang patuloy na pagpapatupad ng programa para sa mga OFW at kanilang pamilya. Kabilang na dito ang 2 billion peso National Reintegration Program sa ilalim ng OWA na lumikha na ng ibong bagong trabaho para sa nagsisibalik na OFW.
We salute and thank our overseas Filipino workers for the nearly 7% increase in remittances made in January 2014 compared to the same period last year. Total remittances for 2013 reached almost 23 billion, or a 7.4% increase compared to 21.4 billion in 2012. The government recognizes the importance of these remittances in bolstering the country's foreign currency reserves, boosting consumer spending, and supporting overall economic growth. Through the POEA, government continues to promote programs that will create and increase employment opportunities for Filipino professionals and skilled workers. These are in tandem with similar programs in-country to create manufacturing-based and more highly remunerative jobs. Additionally, the Department of Labor and Employment vigorously implements the peso National Reintegration Program administered by the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, OWA, which has already created 4,000 jobs for returning OFWs since the inception of this program. Through Land Bank of the Philippines, this program has granted and released total loans amounting to 632.5 million, most of which were used to fund businesses on general merchandising, groceries, water purifying stations, auto supply, hardware, trucking, and ready-to-wear, as well as agriculture-based enterprises such as grains trading, piggery, poultry, agriculture supplies, post-harvest, bakery, fruits and vegetables farming, copra trading, and fisheries. We affirm President Aquino's vision of, quote, a government that creates jobs at home, so that working abroad will be a choice rather than a necessity. And when its citizens do choose to become overseas Filipino workers, their welfare and protection will still be the government's priority. End of quotation.